Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for accessing this video. This video is all about what is the astrological combination for massive fame. So when you talk about fame, name and reputation, we have to see your first house, because first house talks about your completely about your own self, your behavior, your characteristics, your mindset, your thought process, and the way you perceive the things to the outer world. All these things can be seen in the first house. And the ninth house talks about fame and reputation. Ninth house also talks about good fortune. Ninth house talks about luck, your fortune, your previous karma, the deeds which you have done in the past life. All these things, the blessings, the overall blessings can be seen from the ninth house. So the first house and ninth house plays a major role in terms of determining the fame and reputation of the person. And most importantly, the second rank I would like to give for 10th house, because 10th house talks about your career prospects and professional pursuits. Okay, so the career, the workplace, the respect at your workplace can be seen from the 10th house. And also D10 chart and D9 chart also plays a major role, especially ninth house in the D9 chart plays a major role in terms of determining what kind of fame and reputation this person will leading into. And most importantly, if at all you have strong ninth house compared to the homeland, you will find better opportunities in the foreign countries, because ninth house talks about long distance journeys as well. Okay, so whenever you have strong Lagna Lord placed in the 10th house, then this brings up a lot of fame on an account of his own efforts, on account of his own profession, the kind of profession that he takes up, he'll be getting the fame. If at all, let's say ninth lord is placed in the 10th house or 10th lord placed in the ninth house, then the person will be getting the respect, power, and also good fortune because of his previous karmas. And also, let's say if at all fourth lord is placed in the 10th house, then he will be getting the success through his mother, through his motherly love, and also through the educational pursuits. If not fourth house lord or fifth house lord placed in the 10th house, he will be getting success through educational pursuits. Through that, he will be undergoing the massive fame. And let's say Jupiter is involved in the fifth house and the 10th house, then this person can be achieved respect through knowledge, and he will be people see him as a knowledgeable person, people see him as an educationist, and people will respect for his advices. People go to these most of the people go to these people for advices. Okay, you might have seen the people from the advisory board, they simply keep giving the advices to lot many people, and many people will be following these people. They have massive followers. And most importantly, the D10 chart also has to be referred, because D10 chart talks about your career and profession. How will be your professional environment can be seen from the 10th house. So the ninth lord in the D10 chart has to be monitored, and also the nakshatras of all these planets. Most importantly, the ninth house and 10th house has to be referred. Which nakshatra the planets are sitting, what kind of aspects the ninth house and 10th house is receiving, whether there is a Parivartan Yoga happening between the ninth house and the 10th house, or the Parivartan Yoga happening between the 4th house, 5th house, and the ninth house and 10th house in the birth chart, also has to be determined to understand your massive fame in the birth chart. Most importantly, the celebrities, they'll be having the Raja Yogas. The Raja Yogas can be formed through Sun, Mars, Saturn, Rahu, and Ketu. If at all Raja Yoga is forming with these five planets, the person will be undergoing the massive fame, especially in their Mahadasha or Antradashas. Okay, and let me tell you the planetary wise, like which is the area you can able to get the fame. See, fame can be of many forms. It can be in the form of finances, it can be in the form of respect, it can be in the form of knowledge, it can be in the form of mental strength. Okay, so let me talk to you about the planetary influence on your ninth house. Let's say Sun and Mars are involved in the ninth house. These planets plays a very major role with respect to the planetary birth chart. Sun and Mars are involved, then the person will be gaining the respect through his father. Through his father's support, this person will be evolving in the life, and he will be gaining the respect because of his father. Okay, and Mars because of his elder brother. The Mars is considered as elder brother in the horoscope. So basically, if at all Mars is involved in the ninth house, then the elder brother will be pushing this person, and this person gains respect because of his elder brother. Okay, so and most importantly for his person also, this person is very courageous and bravery in nature. Why? Because Sun and Mars are planet element fire is involved here. So these people are true action takers because of their own efforts. let's say Sun or Mars placed in the first house, and they are sitting in the ninth house, okay, then they'll be getting the respect because of their own efforts. And if at all Venus is involved in the first house and the ninth house, then the all of performing arts, crafts, painting, dancing, acting, photography, because of these fields, this person will be getting the respect. This person will be getting the name and fame. Okay, let's say Mercury is involved, then the communication of all the forms, his communication itself becomes a great, itself draws a lot of followers towards this person. Most of the celebrities have Mercury in the first house and also playing the role of ninth house as well. So these people are very lucky enough. In fact, they'll be getting the massive fame because of their fan following, because of their communication. You might have seen some of the celebrities like Gary Vee, Grant Cardone, and all those people have lakhs and lakhs of followers just because of their communication. Okay, for all those people, Mercury and Venus are involved, definitely. And let's say Jupiter is involved in the ninth house and the first house, then these people will be getting the respect because of their scholarly features in them, because of their wisdom, because of their knowledge, because of their creativity. And most of the spiritual gurus have the ninth house lord as Jupiter, or Jupiter is involved in the ninth house. Mostly, if at all Venus in the Pisces, that is also considered as this person will be getting a lot of fame because of the social service, because Pisces talks about social service. And let's say Saturn is involved, this person will be involved into the politics, will be getting a lot of fame because of politics, and also law and medicine is also involved. This person, if at all take up say a law profession or a medical profession, then he'll be getting a great respect among the society. And let's say Moon is involved, then people respect because of his intelligence, people respect because of his advices, people respect because of his helpful nature. Okay, all those qualities will be out if at all the ninth house lord Dasha or Antradasha comes, especially in the Moon Mahadasha and Moon Antradasha. Okay, and let's say Rahu and Ketu are involved in the ninth house, this person will be gaining the tremendous respect among the society. And this person will be emerge as a great industrialist and great business magnates as well. Most of the business magnates have Rahu Ketu in the 6th, 8th, 9th and 10th houses. These people get a great fame. And if at all Ketu is involved, the Ketu is a spiritual planet. So because of spiritual prospects, spiritual aspects, this person becomes famous in nature. Okay, great astrologers have Mercury or Ketu in the ninth house. Okay, so that is all about massive fame. So we have to see how the fame has occurred in the birth chart. It can be of multiple angles. So Sage Parashara gave around 100 principles related to massive fame. Okay, most of his the astrological combinations is because of fame, talks about fame. Okay, so these are very few combinations which I've just mentioned to you. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you need my consultations, please book from the link that is mentioned in the description section. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. I have success track record of the clients from across the globe. Okay, please make best use of this. And also thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe right away, and also click on that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you'll be notified for the future videos. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.